Hello, it's Sunday, August 23rd, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your week in review. Today, we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar ended the trading week on a positive note after jumping up by 144 pips, a 1.28% increase to a market price of $1.386. The British pound US dollar also ended the week with upward movement. The pair went up slightly by 0.03%, a 4-pip rise, to an exchange rate of $1.5694 for every British pound. The US dollar Australian dollar didn't fare as well on market close and dropped in value by 21 pips, a 0.29% decrease down to a market price of 0.7316 Australian dollars. Crude oil continued its downward movement from recent months. A barrel of West Texas Intermediate dropped by 2.11%, bringing the price down to $40.45 a barrel. Brent Oil also took a hit on Friday, dropping by 2.49% down to a market price of $45.45 a barrel. Faring better on market close was gold. An ounce of COMEX Gold rose by 0.55%, selling for $1,159.60. Gold spot also saw positive movement on Friday, going up by price by 0.74% to a market price of $1,160.77 an ounce. All major U.S. indices took a slight hit on Friday. The Dow Jones dropped by 3.12% to a value of 16,459.75. The Nasdaq dropped by 3.52% to a value of 4,706.04. And lastly, the S&P 500 dropped by 3.19% down to a market value of 1,970.89. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you have enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.